is given on cost price, the formula for finding profit percent is profit upon cost price multiplied by 100%. Okay? Means we are going to replace that formula in this. So we got sale price minus cost price upon cost price multiplied by 100%. But in some extent, the formula is saying the requirement is what? The profit will be calculated on selling price. So the formula will become profit percent equals to profit upon selling price multiplied by 100%. It depends on the selling price. The most common example is what? Nowadays, you people are listening these news that that precautionary mask for the coronavirus, the box will be sold previously at 120, 180 rupees, and now it is being selling in more than 1,000. So it means previously whatever the things are being, whatever the cost of that box is, suppose it is one, if it is of 150, and now they were selling at 180, means they are getting a profit of 30 rupees. But now they are taking a profit more than its cost price. That is the difference between the profit percent on cost price or profit percent on selling price. Similarly, the formula will become the formula for finding the loss percent on cost price is equals to loss upon cost price multiplied by 100%. And yesterday, Sir Ali have told you that in case of loss, cost price is more than the selling price. So cost price is going to be subtracted. And if the loss percent is on selling price, so loss upon selling price multiplied by 100%. Again, the loss formula cost price minus selling price upon cost price multiplied by 100%. Using these formulas, you people are able to solve the question related to that. I'm using one of the example. Am I clear to you or not? Show me thumbs up so I can understand that you people are listening. Achha, just wait a minute.
Am I clear to you all? Am I clear to you all? Okay. Okay, now. Again, profit percent. There are two ways to calculate profit percent. One is by the formula method or a loss percent. Loss percent on cost price equals to loss upon cost price multiplied by 100%. And as Sir Ali have told you yesterday, that the loss, in case of loss, cost price is more than the selling price. So that's why selling price is going to be subtracted by, cost price is going to be subtracted by selling price and then divided by cost price multiplied by 100 to calculate the loss percent on cost price. If the loss percent is on selling price, equals to loss upon selling price multiplied by 100%. Now, I want to share one example to you. Suppose there is a question related to that. If the shopkeeper is taking a profit on cost price, that is on cost price, to make it very clear, it is over here, he's getting 10% profit on it. And the cost price of a book is $65. So you need to find out the selling price of it. There are two ways to find out the selling price. One is the formula method. That means you need to apply the formula of profit percent. And the other is new percentage, new value ratio, original value equals to new percentage ratio, original percentage. So now I'm solving it first by the ratio method and then by the formula method. First, for applying the ratio method, you need to find out the new percentage. Just a minute, boys. Now is it clear to you all? New percentage will be calculated. As you know that profit means increase percentage. Profit means increase percentage. So 100 means, which is the original percentage, is going to be added by 10 because the profit percent is 10%. It will become 110%. Is that okay? Now you need to apply that formula, which is new value ratio original value equals to new percentage ratio original percentage. New value, that is now this formula which you people have studied last year as an increase percentage or decrease percentage, we are replacing new values as the sale price ratio, the original value as the cost price equals to new percentage ratio original percentage. Up now, your selling price you need to find out. Here, you need to find out the sale price. So sale price, we need to find out. Cost price is given $65. New percentage is 110. And the original percentage is 100. First of all, the ratio must be converted into fraction in this way. And then cross multiply the value. Sale price multiplied by 100 equals to 110 multiplied by $65. Sale price is multiplying with 100. When 100 is shifted on the other side, so it will divide. Who is this, boys? $110 multiplied by $65 upon 100. So, first of all, 0 to 0 cancel. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 5 twos are 10. 13 times 11 becomes $143. 143, divided by 3 give you the selling price. Just a minute, boys. After simplification, whatever you got, that will be your selling price. And if you are applying a ratio method, sorry boys, I'm randomly using an example. That's why there is a problem with the values. I have made a presentation and you people are creating disturbance in it. That's why I am unable to do it. But the method is this, you need to simplify accordingly. But if we are applying a profit percent formula, profit percent on cost price is equals to profit upon cost price multiplied by 100%. Profit percent is 20%. Profit amount you need to calculate. Cost price is $65 multiplied by 100%. Cancel percentage to percentage, and 20 multiplied by 65 equals to P multiplied by 100. When P is multiplying with 100, shifted on the other side, you got the value of P. As soon as you got the value of P, you need to apply the formula of sale price minus cost price. Profit, whatever, suppose your value of P is coming X, replace it in this formula, and cost price is $65. Cost price will be shifted towards X, so it will be added. Here it will be, on the left side, it is subtracting with sale price. When it's shifted on the left side, so it will be added by X to give us the sale price in this way. Sale price, whatever your profit amount, that will be added by 65 to give you the final answer, which is related to sale price. Acha boys, I'm sharing these videos which I have made on Edmodo. Do one thing, you need to see those videos properly and do the assigned task which will be uploaded on Edmodo. The ones who are having any query, they can contact Sir Ali or me on the WhatsApp group and make it very clear that all the assignments must be done in the copies. And for any W student, the worksheet related to profit and loss will be was uploaded on blog. Some of the question I have already given, some of the remaining questions you people are going to do by the formula method or by the ratio method, anyone. In case of loss percent, if you are having a loss, so in case of new percentage, 100 will be subtracted by 10 to give us 90. And then 90 will be replaced here and solve accordingly. Please, right now, don't go for the calculation. It's just an example I use. Because the videos you people have, you are just spoiling those videos. So please, it will be uploaded on blog. Acha, the NEW students, the one who have done that is just for the reinforcement of the concept. So kindly reinforce that concept, because as soon as you people will come to school from Monday onwards, inshallah, so we will be taking a test related to profit and loss. It's for NEW only, not TCS. TCS sections are going to do these questions. Please, I'm telling you again, these videos will be uploaded on Edmodo with the assigned task. Whoever is having query after watching that video, they can contact Sir Ali and me both. Thank you so much, boys.